Okay, everybody, good morning. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here. I'm going to split this cedar wood that I made those carvings out of, and there's a bunch of pine. But you can see the snow is starting to melt, and it's looking really nice. I was really happy. I was concerned about getting stuck in here with all this melting snow and ice, but it's looking pretty good considering the conditions. It was 48 degrees yesterday now, so we got a lot of melting done, and it's going to be warm the rest of the week, and then we're going to get rain. So I think the snow is going to be about gone by the weekend, so I'll be able to get back hard at it today. Now, anyways, that's kind of what's on my mind, and I'm just going to get splitting on this cedar wood. Let me get going on my cedar, and then we'll give you some updates coming up shortly. And also, go ahead, take this moment to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends. Appreciate it. Okay, I'm about to get fired up here now, and I am going to wear this apron because this cedar is really messy. You can see all this red sawdust. When I came home from doing that carving, I had red sawdust all over me, and thank God it came out of that shirt. I bleached it and got it out of my sweatshirt, but it was stained, my jeans and everything, red dust all over me. So when I'm handling this cedar, I'm going to go ahead and put this on today. So again, excuse the fashion statement, but let's get fired up and get splitting. I'm ready to get moving on here now. Let me get turned around here. There we go. Okay, now everybody, I got that pine wood all split up and my truck loaded. There's a couple more rounds I need to finish and I need to get that crap out of here now. You can see, and we got a tree stand here now, so I do like to put on a little orange hat and make sure they notice me. I am not a deer. I'm gonna get moving on here and finish bucking up this pine wood and a few walnut rounds, and I do have a few more walnut rounds over here and a little bit of oak. Who knows? This might be the end of the video. It's hard to say. You never know. Okay, well, this is just a little update. This is the maple and walnut wood that I bucked up, and I got it on pallets because I don't know when I'm going to be back to pick this stuff up now. And that other wood is over here. It's just on the ground. It's going to get rained on. That's some walnut and some pine over there, if you can see that. So that's my other wood, and I have about 11 rounds of oak that are up there. Now my truck is really full of cedar and pine, but I'll make it home. That stuff's about half as light as oak. And I do have about 8 rounds of oak up there to split, sitting right there stacked up. And I just don't know if I want to go do it or not, because you can see this road. There's some puddles right there. And it's not really the road so much as he's gonna get in here and clean that out, and if I go stack it, I gotta stack all that split wood up there. I don't have anywhere to put it today, as you can see. But look at this road. I mean, it is really a mess. I mean, it's gonna be a while before I can get back in here again. He's talking about putting gravel down there, which would be really nice, because that is a real, you can't even get through there. That's a bad area. So that's about it for today. I hate to leave that oak up there, but like I said, if I split it, then I just got to stack it and set it up there anyways. So I'm not sure what to do about that. I'm ready to go home and eat lunch. This has taken me a lot longer than I thought today. I got out here at 7:30 and it's already after 2 o'clock, and I've split, I don't know. I can't do the math, over a cord, somewhere between a cord and a half and 2 cords of wood today. But it's taken me 8 hours. You know, that's just the way it goes with a single wedge splitter and one person working, I guess. You know, it takes a little bit of time. So anyways, that's my little update, and I had a pretty busy day out here in the wood yard. Okay, I thought you guys might find this kind of interesting. On my way to the woodyard, there is a tree growing out of a stump. That's pretty interesting. Not sure how that happened. I'd like to get a close-up of that.